What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Here I am, you guys, once again in Wisconsin, right off I-90 at the super amazing Dollar Tree. Everyone here is so nice. All right, you guys. I'm seeing pretty colors, Easter Smarties, Easter candy, the cute little pop-ups. Aww. Narwhal, flamingo, unicorn, Paw Patrol, sloths. This is the only location that I found the Snapple in. I found these in my other store. These are super cute, the little silicone molds. Perfect to make little mini cakes. I'm gonna use them over on my second channel. Over on Bunny Birdie Gator ASMR. I'm gonna try to do some cute little gem chalk reforms. Ribbons. The tail of Peter Rabbit, super book to color, little storybooks, Minnie, the Flower Prowler, Tappy Easter, little Easter sticker books. For a minute, I thought these were the chocolate scented bunnies. Nope, they're not scented. I think years ago we had something like that here in Dollar Tree. Scented bunnies. The Dunkaroos are still here. Sesame Street's still here. It's so quiet in here, isn't it? These are pretty. Ooh. How much do we get in one? Let's see. This is what we get in one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shoots. That's what I'm gonna call it, at least. Some really pretty ones. A lot of these come back every year. Oh, I really like these also. These are pretty. The tiger lilies. And another end cap here. Tiny frisbees, mini flyers. These are new. The pink one, pink, yellow, green. Lots of Lego dupes. Little beauty items that were here at Christmas time. This is the only location that I've seen these at so far. Cute little collectible plush. Little car kits, 14 pieces. Not cars, trucks actually. A snacky end cap, crystal geyser waters, St. Patrick's Day items, succulent picks, all the outdoorsy stuff for golf, the beach, pool. Is it warm where you are? It's not warm here in Minnesota yet. I'm actually in Wisconsin today, but it is not warm yet. We don't usually get warm weather until about the end of May or so. Mid-May, we might have a few days pop up here and there. that are really nice. Ooh, those are pretty. Ranunculus, anemone, tigridia, and freesia. Lots of good little items over here for flowers, for weeding, for the garden. Lots of seeds. Lots of new gloves too. Flowers, watermelons, polka dots. Whoa, and here's the brand new display of IONI lashes. I saw like 1 or 2 of these in my other store. These are all the new varieties. We have High Tea, Garden Party. We have Sweet Dreams. We have Wispy Natural Light. We have a Dinner Party. I just love the packaging. We have Versailles, super pretty. We have Pastel Princess. We have Artiste. We have Playdate. We have Rich. We have Palace. So many, you guys, wow. We have Queen. We have Pearly Gates. We also have Having a Ball. And Hint of Gold. Did I miss one? This might be a slightly different one. Let's see. No, this one is Queen as well. So many varieties. Wow. That's amazing that they come out with so many. Looks like we have lots of CDs and DVDs. Those were the weekly wow items when I first walked into my other store. Probably here too. This location is so neat. So neat. I just love it. In my other store, they had like 6 different glues. They had all of the washable color glues, but then they also had like 4 varieties of glue for slime. All Crayola. Not Crayola, all Elmer's. You know, the expensive ones. And all the toys. We have a bunch of packs of animals here. Reptiles, dinosaurs, horses. Poker chips. The Ace brand, 100 poker chips. I'm gonna say these cost a lot more than $1 everywhere else. The brand is, well, it says Ace on it. It says Ace Authentic, but then it says Cartamundi, made in China, but then it says Dallas, Texas. Wow, 100 poker chips. I've never ever seen those here in Dollar Tree before. Well, you guys, we have a lot to explore here in this store, so I'm gonna head down the very next aisle and share more with you guys, see what else I can find that's new and name brand. Look, you guys, Westcott scissors. These go for like at least a few dollars in Walmart. These are the titanium bonded scissors. Anyways, if you guys want to see more deals and shop a little bit more with me, come back and check out the very next video. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit that little button. All right, guys, well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.